Well, my friends, you're in luck. The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. Setmore, like any good appointment scheduling platform, understands that life is unpredictable. They've built in various ways for both clients and businesses to manage cancellations, reschedules, and all those little adjustments that keep our calendars sane. So, if you've been stressing about that upcoming meeting, haircut, or yoga class you can no longer make, take a deep breath. We're about to walk through exactly how you can navigate the world of Setmore cancellations, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience for everyone involved. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the how-to, let's quickly set the stage for why understanding Setmore's cancellation process is so important. For clients, it's about empowerment and convenience. Nobody wants to feel trapped by an appointment they can't make. Knowing you have the flexibility to adjust your schedule fosters trust and a positive experience with the business you're booking with. For businesses, it's equally crucial. Efficient cancellation management reduces no-shows, frees up valuable time slots, and ultimately contributes to a more organized and profitable operation. Think about it. An empty slot that could have been filled means lost revenue. So, whether you're a client needing to cancel or a business owner looking to streamline your cancellation policy, this video is for you. Let's break down the different scenarios and methods for canceling an appointment on Setmore, starting with the most common one. As a client. Canceling as a client. The power is in your hands. Setmore offers a few straightforward ways for clients to cancel their appointments. The primary method, and often the most convenient, is directly through the confirmation email you received when you initially booked. When you book an appointment through Setmore, you'll almost always receive an immediate confirmation email. This email isn't just a receipt, it's a powerful tool. Within that email, you'll typically find a link or button that says something like, Manage your appointment, reschedule, or cancel appointment. Clicking on this link will take you to a dedicated page where you can view your appointment details and, crucially, initiate a cancellation. Once you click that cancellation option, Setmore will usually ask for a confirmation to ensure you truly intend to cancel. This is a good safety measure to prevent accidental cancellations. After confirming, you'll likely receive another email confirming that your appointment has been successfully canceled. It's a clear, simple, and self-service process that puts you in control. But what if you can't find that email? Or maybe you accidentally deleted it? Don't panic. Some businesses also integrate Setmore with their website, allowing you to log in to a client portal and manage your appointments there. This isn't universally available, as it depends on how the business has set up their Setmore account, but it's worth checking their website for a My Appointments or Client Login section. If all else fails, the most direct approach is to simply contact the business directly. While Setmore empowers self-service, sometimes a good old-fashioned phone call or email is the quickest way to resolve a cancellation. The business can then manually cancel the appointment from their end, within their Setmore calendar. This is especially useful if you need to cancel last minute and want to ensure they receive the message immediately. Canceling as a business. Managing your schedule with ease. Now, let's switch gears and look at it from the perspective of a business using Setmore. As a business owner or staff member, you have complete control over your calendar and can easily cancel appointments directly from your Setmore account. To cancel an appointment as a business, you'll log into your Setmore account. From your dashboard, navigate to your calendar. You'll see all your scheduled appointments displayed. Simply click on the appointment you wish to cancel. A pop-up window will appear displaying the appointment details. Within this window, you'll typically find an option to cancel appointment. Clicking Cancel Appointment will usually prompt you to confirm your decision. You might also be given the option to send a cancellation notification to the client. This is a crucial step. Always notify your client when you cancel their appointment. It's a matter of good customer service and transparency. Setmore makes this easy by often pre-populating an email notification for you, which you can customize if needed. Furthermore, Setmore allows businesses to set up cancellation policies. This is a fantastic feature for managing expectations and protecting your business. You can define how much notice clients need to give for cancellations, whether there are cancellation fees, or if certain services are non-refundable. Communicating these policies clearly upfront perhaps on your booking page or in your confirmation emails, can prevent misunderstandings down the line. Beyond basic cancellations, rescheduling and no-shows. While the focus of this video is on cancellation, it's important to briefly touch upon its close relatives. Rescheduling and managing no-shows. Rescheduling on Setmore works very similarly to canceling. As a client, you might find a reschedule option right alongside the cancel option in your confirmation email or client portal. This allows you to pick a new time and date without going through the full booking process again. As a business, you can also easily reschedule appointments from your Setmore calendar by dragging and dropping them to a new time slot or editing the appointment details. No-shows are a different beast, but Setmore can help here too. While Setmore can't physically make someone show up, it provides tools to reduce no-shows, such as automated reminders, email, and SMS. If a client does no-show, you, as the business, can mark the appointment as a no-show in Setmore. This helps with tracking and understanding client behavior. For some businesses, consistent no-shows might lead to implementing stricter cancellation policies or requiring deposits for future bookings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.